Thundering.
Everybody in bed.
No. We'll go look, thundering. See?
Ooh, why do you not?
Well, it's lightning.
Why do you not?
There you go. Do you like that?
Yeah.
How cool is that? It's thundering. Look at it, it's all light in here. Wow, see that lightning then?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Wow. How cool is that?
Casey don't like thunder. But say so out.
Thunder, thunder, thunder. And lightning. You like the thunder and lightning, don't you, baby?
Yeah. You don't. You keep. This bell's broken.
There you go, look, see? Thunder and lightning. Hello, thunder and lightning.
Thunder! Who's?
Whoa.
Don't go. Don't go back. Stay out. Stay out.
Wow.
Stay out.
Right, shush then.
Stay out.
Love the thunder. Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. I want to touch.
Wow, pretty, pretty. Alice likes the thunder and lightning.
Thunder.
Don't you, baby?
Yeah.
Look at me. Like it?
Yeah.
Wow, how cool is that?
Where's everybody?
Probably inside. Some people are scared of thunder and lightning, but you're not, are you? Look, watch. Oh, you better watch this back in a bit. Look, see, it's thundering over there now. Right over there. And it'll happen over there in a minute.
On this.
Wow, how cool was that, Lissy?
Yeah.
That was well cool.
Yeah. Welcome.
Yeah. Wow. Well, this is getting super excited. Are you getting excited?
Yeah. Thunder. 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 Let's go to. Raining.
You want to
in the shelter.
Wow.
Whoa, thunder. It's raining going in the shelter.
Wow, look at that.
You have to go to the shelter.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
It's pretty, pretty, pretty. All the lightning, isn't it? Pretty thunder and lightning. Mummy likes that sound of thunder, don't her?
Yeah. It just smells broken.
No.
What?
Let's see. Do you like it?
Yeah. What the hell?
You see?
Huh? No. Thunder.